Who supervises a liquidator? Let's say you're a creditor in a liquidation and you're unhappy with the conduct of the liquidator. Maybe they've taken a couple of $1 million in fees that you don't think is fair and reasonable. Maybe they've acted in a way that's caused further losses to creditors. Who's going to supervise that conduct? Well, there are two avenues available to creditors. One is CAANZ, because liquidators are now subject to regulation, and it's CAANZ who governs that. So you can make a complaint to CAANZ. Now, typically, most people are very reluctant to go down that path and make a complaint, and to be fair, rightly so. The results out of CAANZ can be varied, but also what we often see is there is no real compensation for those losses. So the second option is the more meritorious option in my view, and that is the High Court has the ability and the jurisdiction to supervise the conduct of liquidators. They have a very wide discretion around supervision, and they can supervise all aspects of the liquidation. Now, there have been numerous cases where the High Court has reduced the fees that liquidators have taken in the course of their appointment, and they've required the liquidators to refund amounts that they consider not to be fair and reasonable, or they've ordered compensation for negligence and breaches of duty. And so the real barrier here to entry when it comes to High Court is cost, because any liquidator being sued is going to defend their position very vigorously. And this is why most creditors actually don't take that steps. But in my view, if you want justice out of these situations, you're going to have to be prepared to fund it through to the High Court.